Welcome. Today I want to show you how to restore data in iPhone SE 2020 by using iTunes. In the very beginning we have to open our iTunes application. We can download it from Apple Store or Apple website. Then we need to plug our mobile phone into a PC. So you can do it just by using USB cable, just like that. Okay, so now we can come back to iTunes, and if we want to restore data we need to click on this icon firstly. Then we have information about our iPhone, and here from backups we need to click restore backup. So just click on it. Okay, so we have information that we need to turn off Find My before. So just come back to our iPhone, click on settings, click on our Apple ID, then Find My, and click on off. Okay, so then we need to use our Apple ID password. So let's okay, I'm already do it. So I turned off Find My iPhone. So let's come back. So let's come back to iTunes, click again restore backup, and now we have to choose phone name. So here is our phone name, click on restore, wait a moment. Now our iPhone is restoring. We have an information, restore in progress. Okay, so you have information, just click on OK, wait for our iPhone. We need to wait a couple of minutes. Okay, that's all. Our iPhone just turned off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.